Where can AFS be installed? Autonomous Fluid System is the latest technology for fluid sampling. There are 4 engine ports can be installed into AFS. 1. HYD port. This port removes hydraulic oil with characteristics such as being fluid or easy to flow, has good physical and chemical properties, can separate dirt from the engine, and is easily adjusted to the container. 2. Steer port. This port removes power steering oil designed to lubricate and protect system components and reduce wear and friction. 3. Transport. This port removes transmission oil, which functions to transfer power from the engine to the wheels efficiently and reduce friction and lubrication on transmission components. 4. Engine port. This port removes engine oil, which is generally used for lubrication and cooling in engine parts.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.